Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the new show, Lego Builder Pro versus Intermediate versus Noob. I'm your host, Icarus Snotbrick. Let's meet our contestants. Isaac Plate. Michael Tile. And Isaac Macaroni. In this episode, we'll be building a TIE fighter. Now that includes all TIE variants. Variants?
Yes.
Let's give our contestants a chance to take a look at the Lego mountain and familiarize themselves with all the bricks that they will be using.
Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that I too have a YouTube channel. Unlike Michael's, mine's still going strong. Links for their channels in the description below.
This video is sponsored by Square.
Alright, contestants, begin building in 3, 2, 1, go! Your timer starts now. You have 1 hour.
Apparently.
Oh.
Get up. Time to build a TIE fighter. Wing 1. Wing 2. 2 wings. Have an idea.
I need a dinosaur.
Why do you need a dinosaur? We're building a TIE fighter.
I don't know.
Okay, fair.
I don't even know what I'm building.
I think that it's supposed to be a TIE fighter. It's supposed. Oh, that's a dumb idea. Oh, I'm totally gonna do that.
"30 minutes elapsed. You have 30 minutes to go. You're halfway done." "15 minutes left." "10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. Show us what you've got.
I have to finish.
Wait, hold on, I'm not done. I have to put all these bricks back on first. So this is my build. I think it looks pretty accurate to the TIE fighter seen in A New Hope. Except mine has more finesse to it. See this? They didn't have eagles in A New Hope. They didn't have leaves for wings, but they did have popcorn makers. It's a very little known fact. But George Lucas said that they had popcorn machines with butter and cheddar cheese. So yeah, this is from a. Oh no, it fell. Oh no. And yeah, this is
TIE fighter. Frick. This is important.
Mine's better.
His is better. We also have Han Solo in a coffin.
What?
And this is my TIE Fighter build. As you can see, this is a damaged, crashed TIE Fighter on Jakku, and Rey and BB-8 have come to salvage parts. It turns out that a damaged and crashed ship is the way to go when you have a limited amount of time, because it can look very haphazard and you don't have to build all of its parts. The wing has some gaping holes where machinery can be seen, and a lot of the parts are jumbled around it. There's a lot of junk sprinkled underneath the TIE Fighter itself, and I did incorporate a play function. If you open up the top, you can actually see a little seat in there. The reason I didn't put a TIE pilot in this ship is because the TIE pilot would have already ejected, and so I actually included an ejection seat function. If you simply push this button down here, then the seat pops up, and it's not super powerful. It doesn't go up very high, but it's still a pretty cool function, and you can push it back down there to reload it, and push the button again to make it jump out. That's a really cool function. And yeah, that's my TIE Fighter build.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget,
This video is sponsored by Blue Apron.
And also Raid Shadow Legends.
And
Click
also
the link in the
Squarespace.
description to get a free Epic Champion for $5. Click the link, please. It supports. It gives. I need to feed my family. Please, just please click the link. Please subscribe.
This is a crown that I found on the ground.
On the ground. That rhymes. Hey.